Hello, happy Tuesday, friends. So, today I'm talking about what is the most important one thing you are supposed to be knowing before you even think of running any Facebook ad. That is the really important thing that you have to figure out, and then you can run your ads. So, if you guys can see me and hear me well, then drop some hearts, some likes, or some thumbs ups, or some comments so that I know everything is working fine. So let's start. Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and I'm talking to you live from my home office, New York. And today I am talking about what is the one most important thing that you are supposed to be knowing before you even think of running your Facebook ads. It is one important thing. So, what is that one important thing? Facebook ads we run to make our brand awareness and to make money. So, Facebook is a really big platform, almost more than 5 billion people over there, and it is very easy to find the targeted audience with the Facebook ads because Facebook algorithm is like that. You can find target audience with the Facebook ads. So, what is that one most important thing? One most important thing is that you are supposed to be knowing where you are sending your traffic to. When you are putting an ad out there, first of all, you are supposed to be clear where the people looking at the ad they are going to be going to at which place you are directing them to. So you have to be clear of that. You have to be clear of that where your traffic is going to go. Suppose you have put an ad out and you are looking for engagement for your page. Of course, you are going to get engagement and likes on your page, and at the same time, your motive should be to make money too, because you are putting money in your ads. When you are running your ads, right, you are putting money, and your motive should be to make money with the ads too. So if you are not clear where you are sending your traffic to, then it is going to be hard to make money with the ads. You are supposed to be clear where you are sending your people to. Are you sending to a sales page or a landing page or your website, or you are sending them to a funnel? Which kind of funnel it is, you are supposed to be clear. If you are looking for only for leads, then you are supposed to be asking for their email. In return, you give them something valuable, something like ebook or PDF or some kind of tutorial or some kind of video series you are supposed to be giving to your prospect. That is how they are going to get value from you and then opt into your funnel. Um, if you are sending them to a sales page, you have to be clear of it. First, are you sending them to a sales page where you are looking for the sales, where you are looking to make money? So right now I am running a ad on the Facebook, and I am running a ad where I am giving a free training for the ebook, how to make your first ebook. And when I ran the ad, I had a coupon with the Facebook for $10, because I run ads with Facebook, so they have given me complimentary $10 coupon. So I ran the ad this weekend with the $10 coupon, and I have gotten engagement on likes on my page, and I have gotten leads, and I have got one appointment to for free consultation with me. So when you are sending them to a funnel, your funnel has the option, either you can send them to a survey, or you can ask them to a free consultation with you. So I have set up my funnel where I am asking for a free consultation. I am for limited time, I am offering a free consultation strategy session for half an hour. So while people opt into my training for my ebook, at the same time they can opt into free strategy session with me, that is for half an hour. So this is how my ad is working. And because I am with a system, with a training platform where funnels are already built and sales pages are already built and copywriting is already done, so even I can use their sales page when I am making some ads, and that way I can make money. So right now I am going to share my screen with you and going to show you how you can make money with the already done for you campaigns with the training platform I'm with my Lead System Pro, and they have already built in funnels with the sales pages, and then you can use for your ads, and that way you can make money with them. So right now I'm going to share my screen with you, and if you guys are not able to see it well and good, then let me know and then I will fix it. But I think it is totally good to go, and you are gonna be it is gonna be visible to you. So I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to share my screen so that I can show you how you can use those built-in system campaigns, like the way I am using for my Facebook ads. So right now I'm going to log into my account, and this is my training platform where I get all the training, and at the same time I can use their funnels for free for giving training out to people and for making money and bringing revenue into my business. So right now I'm using this Create My First Ebook for Instant Authority, and I'm using this funnel, and I this training is totally free, and I have been running ad to this for like 2 days, and I have gotten eight more than 8 page likes, and my page count has grown, my audience has grown, and I have gotten um, free consultation appointment with me for the free strategy session I'm offering, and I have gotten that, and I have gotten leads in the leads too. So this is all free because I got my coupon from Facebook for $10 off, and I ran the ad. And over here, this is how you can use the funnels for offering the free training. These are system campaigns, but you can use system product campaigns, and these campaigns are to you can make money with them. So right now I am going to show you one example. Let's see, copywriting mastery. So if I use this funnel for my ad, this funnel leads to this sales page, and this sales page is for $7. So that way, when I am running my ad, then I can, if I am running my ad properly and to the targeted audience, that way I can make money. So these are all system campaigns over here, and they have different prices. If I run my ad to them, that way I make money with them. So this is how you can bring revenue in your business when you are advertising to a sales page and built-in funnels. So if you want more information, you can drop the comment in the comment section, and I will go back and check the comments and I will help you. And right now I am going to get out of this screen so that I can share with you guys. So let me get out of here, and I'm gonna bring my face back in. And if you want to know more about which system I'm working with, which system I'm using the funnel for my ads, then just drop a comment yes, and then I'll be reaching back to you. And I'll be seeing you guys again with new funnel. Right now I'm going live from the software, and if you guys drop some comment or some hearts and likes, that way I'll be able to know who has joined me, then I can give you a shout out. So see you guys again with new video and new value. So have a great Tuesday everyone. Bye bye.